Hello YouTube, this is Sangha 2009 here to try out the Dragon Natural Speak Recognition 13.0. This here is the latest version, and of course the interface is new. Has everything that you're looking for: Dragon Bar, profile, tools for Dragon Pad, vocabulary where you can, in case if you're speaking to it and it doesn't understand a certain word you're saying, it will, you can add it to the dictionary and train it with your own voice, and it'll start to understand what you're saying. Well, today I'm just gonna see how good it is and let you have your take and see how well it works. Once in a while, I don't think it's all that perfect, but hey, what I heard lately about this Dragon software in the past, it hasn't been very much of a good software. Most likely, certain people use other software and it helped them out. Few just used the Windows speech recognition, and it wasn't all that great, but it had its benefits. So let's see how far this Dragon software improved. Okay. Well, I'm just gonna do some dictation commands, so this is just my desktop, so let's see how well it goes. Go to sleep. Wake up. Open my computer. Open my music. Open my picture. Open my videos. Open my documents. Open my downloads. Open downloads. Well, as you see, not all of them is working the way you want it to. Open Firefox. Sweet. Open Opera. Open Opera. Open Internet Explorer. Search the web for Toyota. Minimize window. Address bar www.google.com. Address www.google.com. Search the web for google.com. Click on Google. Go back. Click Google. 3. Click 3. Delete that. Click search. Delete that. Minimize window. Close window. Close window. Click close tab. 2. Close window. Close window. Close window. Close window. Close window. Close window. Open my document. Open application and files. Open application and files. Click on application and files. Click application. Click on application and files. Open it. Click on login. Open it. Close window. Scroll up. Move up. Move up. Move up. Move all the way up. Move up. Move up, move up, move up, move up, move up. Move up. Move to A. Move up to A. Scroll up. Click login. Click receipt. Click Pennsylvania Turnpike. Click Turnpike. Scroll all the way up. Scroll up. Click Turnpike. Click Turnpike. As you can see, it's getting a bit frustration because this thing doesn't understand a simple command that you give it. Close window. Here's another one. Open Google Chrome. Launch Google Chrome. Open Media Player. Open Media Player. Open Adobe Reader. Open Dell Perform. Open Dell. Open Good to Great. Close that. Click Cancel. Close window. Open Office. Open Word. Open Word 2013. What can I say? Open Command Browser. Click Open. Click Cancel. Close window. Minimize that. Minimize it. Minimize window. And of course you gotta do it manually. Alright. Go to sleep. Okay, So it can't get certain commands properly, which is why I am not impressed with it. If somebody can actually on YouTube walk me through with this part, that'd be great. Maybe I'll give it a second thought. But other than that, I don't think it's doing much. Go to sleep. Go to. Another fine glitch is because is this thing intend to wake itself up like this. Click cancel. Go to sleep. Another glitch in the software. Another glitch in the software, which is bad. Wake up. Click blank document. Go to sleep. Okay, this is where the writing comes in. Alright, now we're just gonna do a simple test and see how well this thing goes. Alright? Alright. Wake up. Hello, I am currently testing out this Dragon Natural Software 13.0. Period. This software, delete that. This software will be beneficial and very helpful tool to get the job done quickly and efficiently as possible. Period. There are other variety of software out there that can rival to this. Period. I doubt Windows might catch up to something like this, and then again, I may be wrong. Period. As you can see, what I'm saying, it's being written on this text paper. Period. Those with different accents, it should be able to pick up with you clearly, but other than that, I have to admit the typing on here is impressive. Period. Go to sleep. That's not too bad. That's pretty good. And as you can see, I just went up to 102 words. A normal typing that takes longer. Go to sleep. A normal typing that takes longer. You rarely see that on here. Sorry, I had to turn that off because that thing for whatever reason keeps waking up. Either way, you clearly see that on here. So that's telling me that this software is pretty good when it comes to typing things for you. Of course, there's going to be a bit of a snag here and there, depending on the word you're trying to say, but the software is pretty darn good. I would not use this software for command purposes because it's not very, how can I say it, usable in command. It's not very great, but it is very good when it comes to writing things down for me as I voice it, which is the greater side of Dragon Natural Speaking software. That's pretty good. I like that. But the downside is doing the command with this software is a bummer, a total bummer. I have a hard time with it. As you remembered, I tried to tell it to open Google Chrome up. It didn't do that. I told it to open Adobe Reader. It didn't do that. I tried to tell it to open up a file. It barely even did that. So this goes to show me that it's terrible at doing commands. I probably might have to train my Windows speech recognition to do that part. But other than that, the typing when you're speaking is beautifully done. A little snag and a glitch here and there, but it's not that bad. Other than overall impression, I am impressed with it when it comes to typing it. This software is beneficial and usable for any user, and I recommend them to use this when it comes to doing their job. Now, for those who have different accents, I'm pretty sure this software has. I'm pretty sure when you set this up, there's some setups that tells you, you're either from this country, you speak Appalachia or Southern USA, whatever accent you speak. As long as you set it up to that part, then it begins to understand. But then it has to see how you talk. So, bottom line, this software is pretty good, but it still needs some work when it comes to command stuff. Writing, on the other hand, is not an issue. I had no problem with writing. I can tell I have about 108 words, and I could be done doing all this work without even using my bare fingers. I probably spend, I don't know, maybe hours or two typing on the finger. I'm a bit of a tap fast typer, but not that fast. But either way, this is pretty cool. I like it, but only for typing purpose. But other than that, command, I think I'll pass. Anyway, I hope you enjoy watching this. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to rate, comment, and subscribe.